The U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, or VA, is funding a groundbreaking study on MDMA-assisted therapy for veterans dealing with post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, and alcohol use disorder. This marks the first time since the 1960s that the VA has approved funding for a psychedelic-assisted treatment study. The research will explore whether MDMA, commonly known as the active ingredient in Ecstasy, can offer veterans an effective treatment for conditions that have often been resistant to traditional therapies. Veterans, particularly those who have served in combat, face significant mental health challenges. PTSD is one of the most common conditions affecting veterans, with an estimated 11 to 20% of veterans from Operation Iraqi Freedom and Operation Enduring Freedom diagnosed with PTSD. Additionally, alcohol use disorder is prevalent in the veteran population, with many turning to alcohol as a coping mechanism for their emotional struggles. Tragically, the mental health crisis has contributed to a suicide epidemic, with the U.S. seeing an average of 18 veteran suicides every day in 2021. This stark reality has prompted the VA to seek innovative solutions to better support those who have served the country. MDMA-assisted therapy is a form of psychedelic therapy that involves controlled administration of the drug in a therapeutic setting paired with psychotherapy. Early research into MDMA's potential to treat PTSD has shown promising results. The therapy works by enhancing emotional processing, helping patients confront and process traumatic memories in a safe and supportive environment. Veterans who have participated in preliminary studies have reported profound emotional breakthroughs, often finding relief from years of trauma and distress. Brett Waters, executive director of the advocacy group Reason for Hope, has spoken about the importance of incorporating psychedelic therapies into veterans' care. He highlights how many veterans are struggling to find effective treatments, and MDMA-assisted therapy could offer a new, potentially life-changing option. One veteran involved in an early trial shared his experience, stating, "MDMA helped me understand my trauma, not just the memories, but the emotions tied to them. It allowed me to release the burden I had carried for years." The VA's commitment to funding MDMA-assisted therapy research comes amid growing interest in psychedelic-assisted treatments for PTSD and other mental health issues. This decision follows the approval of ketamine-assisted therapy at select VA centers and is in line with increasing advocacy from veterans groups and lawmakers. The approval of MDMA-assisted therapy could mark a significant shift in how the VA addresses mental health conditions among veterans. VA Undersecretary Sharif El-Nahal has voiced strong support for psychedelic therapies, noting that while traditional treatments help, the preliminary results of MDMA and psilocybin trials show far greater potential in addressing trauma. The evidence-based therapies that we have, while they help, pale in comparison if we are able to replicate the scale seen in the preliminary results with psychedelics, El-Nahal said at a recent psychedelic conference. For many veterans, traditional therapies have not been enough. The side effects of medications like antidepressants can sometimes make matters worse, and the long process of therapy can feel discouraging. MDMA-assisted therapy offers a new path. Research suggests that MDMA helps individuals process trauma without re-traumatizing them, offering an opportunity for healing and recovery in a way that is not possible with conventional treatments alone. Retired Lieutenant General Martin Steele, president of the Veteran Mental Health Leadership Coalition, stressed the importance of these innovative treatments in addressing the mental health crisis. He noted that while implementing psychedelic therapies will not be easy, it is necessary to ensure veterans get the best care available. The potential of MDMA therapy to address PTSD is real, and its integration into the VA system will provide veterans with a much-needed lifeline, he stated. As the VA moves forward with its study of MDMA-assisted therapy, there is hope that this treatment could revolutionize mental health care for veterans. With many veterans suffering from PTSD and alcohol use disorder and traditional treatments often falling short, psychedelic therapy may provide a crucial tool for healing. As more research and trials unfold, MDMA therapy could become a standard treatment option for veterans, helping them lead healthier, more fulfilling lives. For those interested in learning more about the potential of MDMA-assisted therapy and the ongoing research, stay tuned for updates and stories from veterans who are experiencing these therapies firsthand. If you're passionate about supporting innovative treatments for veterans and want to help spread the word about the VA's funding of MDMA-assisted therapy, now is the time to act. Like and share with your friends, family, and online communities to raise awareness about this groundbreaking research. Tag a veteran or someone who could benefit from this treatment to keep them informed. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this study and other important veteran healthcare advancements. Together, we can make a significant impact on improving the lives of those who served.